buddy.
Well, let's put this way. If you're an Ashley girl,
You have a good day.
you'll never find them.
Hey, now. I don't care.
Hungry Shark World! Did you see that? I feel like a rock god. Would it be this stupid shark? It looks cooler than any of the other shark games. Rock god. Wait! Oh, yay!
When I was little.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember these Asian pancakes with that Asian guy on the condensed milk. You can find these Asian pancakes at any Asian store, probably in the freezer.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh wow, it's not small.
You're gold, can I eat you? That is zombies. I need a map.
I swear there was this.
There's a tank!
I love this snack so much because it's so easy. It takes about 30 seconds on both sides.
Krabby, make
Put anything in the
Krabby.
pan. If you don't have Asian pancakes, you can use
Oh, mermaid
Once you
thingamabobber.
have brown both sides, go ahead and pour some condensed milk all over the center of it. Oh yeah, just like I remember. Remember to let it cool just a little bit before rolling like this. Then roll it up and get ready to enjoy. Hi guys, I'm here with my girlfriend Alexandra.
Hi guys.
And she's gonna try one of my childhood snacks, these condensed milk rollers. If none of these snacks are gonna be healthy, okay, maybe the juice box is gonna be the healthiest thing we're gonna get. I'm not going for healthiness, I'm going for what I had when I was a kid. So she's gonna try it and tell me what she thinks. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, the mermaid gone away. Ooh.
Yeah, it's a little bit different than the Vietnamese turkey. I don't know. I just remember having these a lot.
What? No. That was bold.
Alright, this next one was made from my sister. Again, not healthy, and I don't even know what it tastes like anymore. But she made this up, and I remember eating it like after school for like 2 years. Okay, so you take.
To unlock new sharks. Oh, to unlock new sharks, you have to spell it out. Oh, so I'm just learning the concepts. Ooh, sharks. I want that one. That one. That one.
Cheesy and melty.
That one. That one. But then I'm on an extra small. That sucks. We don't have enough coins for upgrades. There's guys. We're getting Anna. We are saving up to have Anna. Oh, we're going here. Okay. We will get Anna. We will get that dolphin. We will be Prismodius. Yeah.
Go ahead and start peeling the orange all the way around, but only half of it, not the whole thing. This is something my mom would have for me after school always. Now that you've had it all cut out, you can now use a knife to actually
Cause saving requires you to log it in the via Facebook. Don't eat me. Okay.
After you've gone in a circle,
Ooh, school. When can I level up? I said Goldilocks. No, I didn't.
A really fresh juice.
Mermaid here. Level up. Mermaid. I was looking for you.
But see all the juice that's coming up right here? See how juicy that gets?
Ah! How much gems did that just give me? Oh, 1.
Salt actually increases the sweetness of this orange. So you add a little bit of salt, you can see how juicy the orange is. And you can just push the bottom.
Mission complete. Earn a score of 1,500.
Delicious. Another reason why you actually peel the orange is
Ma!
because you get a really bitter taste in your mouth.
Oh, Missouri. No, mermaid. For Missouri. For Missouri. My health is critical. So come in here. Yeah. 1,000. Ooh, I want to live there. Hey, my health is at 64. Are you okay? Yeah, he's okay. My gosh. You look abused. 13 coins. Yay!
And not waste the orange, because that'd be terrible just to make it a juice box and waste it.
I need that stupid S.
You get like all of this, like the orange.
I will not stop this video till we have an S.
Now, once it's a juice box, I mean, you split it open and eat it once again.
How much is she again?
With a different texture. It feels really different after you
These are-
taste it. You see like the orange on the inside.
Or are we gonna get Trevor? I think we're getting Trevor.
That tastes like my
Look how cute he looks. Come on, he's a turtle. He's a turtle on steroids. Can I go anywhere else? No, I could go in the Pacific.
Oh, this is the best.
My high shark is going back out to the Pacific.
School snacks when I was younger in elementary school. I think even in high school I had some of these snacks. But go ahead and try some of these and let me know what happens in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see any more.
There's what going in the Pacific? The Pacific Ocean is funny, isn't it? The Pacific. Oh, stop talking. I am super bored. Aliens High School. Oh, that's really crap. Alien High School. Just keep swimming. Whoa, these graphics. Woohoo! That goat was weird.
Gary from Colorado writes,
Oh, I have my own UFO! I have my own UFO! Stop you two fucking Bama News. Today we're playing some Roblox. Doing another round. This game is so fun.
Look at that, it even has waves.
Killing all and every person.
Meow.
Cheerleader once again. No, actually, can I be principal? Can I do that? I am the principal. I'm gonna be
Oh, I got away.
I'm the principal. I am the principal. Alright, apparently I am the
Sharky?
principal and I rule the school. Anyone who
Come here.
shall die.
Oh, tunas. Tunas are always good.
Hey girl, stop. No. Stop. Can I stop?
Tuna.
Five, please? Smack.
Boom, boom.
Smack you. Smack you. Smack.
Mermaid. Get away, you stupid fish. There's a mermaid.
Oh, this guy wants to smack it. Hey.
Mermaid.
Hey, no escape.
Oh, look, whales. Let me eat you.
Come on, yeah.
I need a XX whale shark. I just ate tunas, didn't I?
Better listen to me, girl. Better listen to me, girl.
How do people get new sharks? This is
You go to class, you gotta go.
fishies. I need a map. Can you buy maps?
I'm a man.
Meow. 360. This. Oh, dang, Felicia.
Oh, God. I'm a boy.
Birds.
No, you're a
Turtle! Look at that thing. Now. Now.
This is the cheerleader table. Boy. Oh, everyone's here. It's so hard to
That turtle will be mine. Got the juice. I need a medium shark, you motherfucker.
Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Have a good
Nice.
Oh, I'm moving so fast. I'm moving so fast, bro. Look at me.
Right onto the pelican bear.
I'm out of here. Go to class. Bye. I took
Pew.
these working class and got away with it. I also killed someone. You again.
Dun it, Fatso.
Party outside. Hey.
Whee! She's gonna bleed out anyway.
Class, dude. Go to class. Well, apparently he's a gamer, YouTube, and popular. Okay, that's cool. Alright, I'm gonna
Yeah, don't go for feet.
spawn your own car via car menu. Are you serious? No, go to class, Mr. Blunt. This guy's trash talking. Yo, little girl. Don't make me smack you with my fishing rod. I'll smack you right now, little girl. I'm recording. Yeah, me too. You want to fight, little girl? Come on, come on, come on, come on, bro. Come on. You mad, bro?
Why is there an arrow?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go to art class. Bye.
Ooh, can I eat you guys? I need a large shark. I leveled up.
You said no? Okay. Girl, better
Yuck.
be. I'm a principal. There
Ew,
you
I ate garbage.
Hey,
Oh, garbage.
are.
Need a large shark.
Great. Why is she walking so slow?
How'd you get away?
Fishing rod class.
That's gonna end this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. As always, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Say that goodbye.